Alright guys, let's jump right into this review slash tutorial. So this wig comes from a company by the name of Geniuswigs. You do get a wig cap and an additional elastic band. As you can see, the wig comes packaged very nicely. It comes in a bag with the net around it and everything. Alright guys, so I'm just showing you a regular wig cap, and my reasoning for showing you this is because that is how the fake scalp used to be made. Now they're like upgraded to some kind of new type technology. A lot of companies are getting on board with this, so you don't have to worry about ripping or tearing or anything. So here I'm just showing you all what the hairline looks like straight out of the box. As you can see, the hairline looks great. You could just put this wig on and go if you wanted to. Alright, and here is the parting, really deep parting. Everything looks great. The knots are bleached, so you do not have to worry about any of that. And like I said, everything looks super natural, so you don't have to worry about altering the hairline. But of course, I am going to. So I like to pluck on my head, as you all know, just because I get to really see what everything looks like. Plucking on a mannequin is okay, but I just really feel like you should get a good outline on your head before you start to just, go out willy-nilly on a mannequin head, because it's easy to over pluck when you don't really know what your hairline is made like. Okay, everyone doesn't like this method, but it's just preferred to me. So I'm just going in and I'm just plucking as desired. And I'm just basically, some people ask about plucking. It's just thinning out the hairline to your liking, or just thinning out the hairline to match your own natural hairline. That's a better description. And now I'm just going in and flat ironing, well, taking my hot comb and just seeing, where I'm at with the plucking, because I can see it a little bit better whenever I put a hot comb through it. And you guys could go in more and pluck, or you can be done at this point. It just kind of depends on whatever you guys would like to do. So now I'm going to be creating my baby hair. All right. So a lot of people say, Erin, I do not know how to do baby hair. I just don't understand it. My baby hair comes out in clumps, yada, yada, yada. The key to baby hair is to having, to thin out their hairline first. You have to make sure your hairline is thinned out first. And the way you do that is, like I said, you just have to pluck and then you go in and create your hairline. And the stuff that I just used is called smooth edges. Okay, I do have that down below. It does give me like this shiny, sleek look. I just really like using it. I do explain a little bit more about the products that I'm using in the actual review part. So stay tuned for that. If you guys have any questions about the products that I'm using, I go in depth about all of that. Now I'm just going in and kind of doing my baby hair how I want to. Baby hair is like, I don't know, you just kind of have to keep altering it and just making it the way that you like it. Some people don't like the little swoops, some people do like the swoops. I mean, it's just personal preference when it comes to baby hair. Some people don't even like baby hair, but you guys know, like, I freaking love it. I'm going in with some small scissors to cut my lace. I just feel like small scissors, small sharp scissors, kind of cut a little bit better than like those big bulky scissors sometimes. I kind of alternate between both. And now I'm going in with some Got To Be gel, and I'm just putting it on my sides because you don't need a lot. I already have that elastic band adjusted, so I didn't even really have to use any Got To Be, but I chose to. And this is just some flat iron spray that I'm going in with, like some anti-frizz heat protectant. I like the shine that it gives my hair, so I'm just putting that all over my hair. And now I'm going to go in and define my curls. I did buy that Denman brush from Walmart, okay, but you can use any kind of brush, okay. It'll work. You don't have to have a special fancy brush to get your curls popping. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so let's get right into this review. You guys have already seen me style this wig and everything, so let me get into the specs, okay? So this, and I am just reading off of this little plastic bag that it came in. This is from a company by the name of Geniuswigs. I do have a large cap, guys, and it is 13 by 6. It is a 13 by 6 lace front wig. It's 14 inches. It's 180% density. Okay, so the 13 by 6 means that's like talking about the parting space. Okay, so that's how long of parting it has. You can part this wig anywhere on the front. Okay, this isn't a full lace wig, or you can just part it, you know, all and scalp like all around in the back and things like this, but you can part it anywhere in the front. It's a front lace. Okay, and I just say that because some people get really confused about that. So yes, it is a front lace, it's not a full lace. Okay, so anyways, as you guys can see, the parting is super deep. You guys already know how I feel about deep parting. I absolutely love it. It just makes everything looks 10 times more natural. Okay, so this is what the natural curl pattern looks like. I didn't put anything in the hair, but like anything to manipulate the curls. All I did was use this spray bottle, and I just have water and conditioner in the spray bottle. Nothing special, nothing, you know, crazy, just regular old water and conditioner. It would be better if I would have had a diffuser, but I do not have one, so I just took my blow dryer and I went through and kind of blow dried the hair to get the curl pattern. Okay, so if you do have a diffuser, your curls will come out more defined. You won't have to worry about it's kind of frizzy a little bit, but like I said, if you have a diffuser, you do not have to worry about that. So I did show you guys how I kind of manipulated the hairline. Now the hairline was already looking really good, as you guys can see. I did show you guys the hairline before, and also the parting and things like that. But I do like to manipulate my hairline. I like it. I like to do it with the wig on my head. A lot of people ask, why do I do that? And that's just because I feel like when it's on my head, I could see exactly what I'm working with and exactly how I want things. I can see my actual head shape and how I want the hairline to be constructed. So that is, you know, pretty much why I always kind of alter my hairlines a little bit. But like I said, the hairline was great before I even started, you know, plucking it. It was already pre-plucked. The hairline is pre-plucked. The hairline is pre-bleached, and it does come with the fake scalp method. Now it does come with the upgraded fake scalp method. Okay, so the old fake scalp method was made out of like just a material like this, kind of like the stocking caps, and it was easy to tear and rip. This is the like a new version that some of the companies are getting on board with, where it is it's like resistant to all of the ripping and tearing and things like that, so you do not have to worry about any of that. Of course, you guys know that you do not have to wear a wig cap with the fake scalp method. Me, however, I wear wig caps regardless because my hair is so long and it's just too much to deal with when I don't have one on. Okay, but for my ladies who do not like to wear wig caps, you do not have to. And then it is summertime, so I know a lot of people want as little on their head as possible. So I did go in and just add a few little sparse baby hairs. I really wanted to make this wig look as natural as possible, so I went in with, like I said, just sparse baby hairs, just whatever I like. You guys know I love baby hair, so almost every wig I'm going to pretty much add it. I just think it covers up the lace a little bit better, and it makes things look, you know, a little bit more natural in my own opinion. So like I said, this is what the wig looks like. Now I can tell that this wig was cut into some type of a bob type of style. I could just tell, like, the cut looks like it's kind of like asymmetrical in the way. It looks like it's kind of like going down. I went in a little bit and cut off a little bit of pieces that were because I parted it a little bit different. The part was a little bit further over, but I parted it different, so that kind of threw off, I feel like, the cut of the wig. So I just went in just a little bit, like literally took a few little curls off and just shape my face. Okay, that's basically what I'm trying to say. I'm like babbling all over the place. I pretty much kind of shape my face. So yeah, guys, like I said, this is what it looks like, and this is 14 inches. I feel like 14 inches
It's very natural. It's a very everyday type of look. Nothing too wild, nothing too crazy. I didn't receive a lot of shedding or tangling or anything like that. So yeah. Oh yeah, and some of the products that I use will be listed down below, I believe. What did I use? I actually used this Garnier Fructis. This is like some anti-frizz serum. I love this stuff. It's almost gone, as you can see. My Eco Styler gel. Also, I use this, and I have another one that I don't know where it is right now. But anyways, I use this, and I have another one somewhere, but it has blue stuff in it. Yeah, it's some kind of wrap lotion that I had put in one of these. So a lot of people are like, what is that blue stuff? It's like some, oh, here it is. It's like some kind of foaming wrap lotion that I actually just used. This is just regular foam that's in here. But I used this bottle for some kind of foam lotion. I don't remember what it was, but some kind of foam I put in here. So don't think these are two different products or something. I mean, like something else. It's just, I just repurpose the container because I do that a lot. I don't know. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I don't want it to be super long. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below. Also, guys, please remember that just because I have a good experience with this company and with this wig, that does not mean that you are going to have the same experience. I would hope that you would, but always take everything I say with a grain of salt. Do not take it as law, like I always say. And yeah, I'll definitely see you on my next one. Bye.